People sometimes ask me, what is a summary proceeding? Well, I'm Attorney Stuart Sandweiss, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about summary proceedings. I'm standing outside the 36th District Court in Detroit, Michigan. This is the court for the entire city of Detroit, and if you got summoned to a landlord-tenant case, which is a summary proceeding, you're going to want to come here to 421 Madison, where the court is. That's where they handle thousands and thousands of summary proceedings every year. Now, a summary proceeding is basically that. It's a quick case between a landlord and a tenant. A lot of times it's when somebody doesn't pay their rent, somebody gets summoned to court, and the landlord wants to collect the rent. But oftentimes tenants have defenses. Tenants say, well, the landlord didn't do what they were supposed to do. There's mold in the apartment, there's mold in the house, there's repairs that the landlord didn't make. And those are called defenses. One of the most important things people can do if they have defenses on a landlord-tenant case is to demand a jury. And in Michigan, the law is that you have to demand a jury the first time you come to court or the first time that you respond in writing. And what a jury does is even if the court never goes to trial and resolve it, it buys you some time. It costs $50 and you have to pay the $50 when you file the jury demand. But what a jury demand will allow you to do is give you enough time so that the court will say, hey, there is issues that have to be tried. A jury has to decide the facts of the case, and ultimately, otherwise the judge could just make a decision right away, and that may not be to your benefit. So it'll also give you some time if you need some time to come up with some more money to work out a deal with the landlord. There's all sorts of things to do. One of the most important things to do is demand a jury on your first responsive, the first time you respond. If you got any more questions about summary proceedings or anything else, please feel free to shoot me an email and I'll be glad to get back to you.